Okay, so this is the screen I just bought. I'm online looking at a forum, and then I notice this black mark just there, being constant. Didn't get it at first because I got a pretty dark screen. I'll get out of this. I'll open up another app. So this one is well, it's Brave browser, I think. Oh, you can see a little symbol there. Get out of here. Yep, Brave. Get out of that. Okay, now we're going to go to eBay. No, eBay's black. Okay, it doesn't show up. I don't think it shows up in black. Where's it? Oh yeah, you can see it just there, just here, going through the picture. But that's black. That's not a good example. No, we'll have to go to Winlator's white. Okay, look at that. That's not supposed to be there. That is a damaged monitor. Have I got anything else I can use? What colour settings? Well, where's everything black on this? Solitaire. Oh, there you go. You can see it on the blue. Get out of that. Why can't I exit it? Yeah, go away. What else would I have that's mail? Probably black. Yeah, I've got a black thing going on my phone. I think that's why. OneCalc. You can still see it on OneCalc. Yep. Black screen. You can still see it. It's there. What else would we have that's white? Well, DuckDuckGo's another browser. Let's go to somewhere like eBay. Enter. Let me get to a nice white page. There we go. Oh, look at that. The mark is still there, moving with the screen. So as you can see, this is definitely a mark that is now showing up as being permanent on the screen. That is damage. You specify you got no dead pixels. That looks like a lot of dead pixels. Or something. I don't know what, but that should not be there. And I've cleaned this monitor. Gave it a good clean. You can see it looks nice and clean everywhere else. There's a nice soft microfiber cloth to clean it. That's damage. I'm not a happy chappy, because I mean, like, I had to bloody pull that thing apart to put it back into this and do a lot of stuff to get this monitor to fit into it. Not happy. Anyway, bye.